Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Fiesta radiator. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a basic wrench set, some pliers, and a large drain pan to collect the old coolant. It's crucial to make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or engine parts. Take a moment to locate the radiator's drain plug, usually at the bottom, and identify both the upper and lower radiator hoses. This initial setup will make the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now that you're prepared, it's time to drain the old coolant. Position your large drain pan directly under the radiator's drain plug. Slowly open the plug and let all the coolant flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, use your pliers to loosen the clamps on both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Gently twist and pull to detach these hoses from the radiator, being mindful of any residual coolant that might spill. Safety first, always. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, we can now remove the old radiator. Look for any electrical connectors, usually for the cooling fan, and carefully unplug them. Next, unbolt the radiator mounting brackets. There are typically 2 to 4 bolts holding it in place. Once these are removed, gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Take a moment to inspect the area for any debris or other components that might need attention before installing the new one. Finally, let's install your new radiator and get your Ford Fiesta ready to go. Carefully lower the new radiator into the engine bay, ensuring it seats correctly in its mounting points. Secure it with the mounting bolts and reattach any electrical connectors. Reconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses, making sure the clamps are tight and secure. Lastly, refill the system with the correct type of new coolant, typically around 5 to 6 liters, and bleed any air from the system for optimal performance. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.